Thermostatic Radiator Valves, or TRVs, are connected to your radiator, allowing you to change the temperature of each radiator independently. So you're not wasting energy heating rooms that you're not using. The TRV works by restricting the flow of water to a radiator when it reaches the desired temperature. As the temperature rises above that, a valve expands in the TRV and reduces the amount of hot water flowing through it. When the temperature cools, the valve contracts, allowing more hot water into the radiator again. Your home's heating system should be controlled by a thermostat like a Google Nest or a Hive, but these can't adjust the temperature in individual rooms. So, having the extra control of TRVs is a great way of setting a comfortable temperature throughout your house, as well as managing the amount of energy you use room by room. Independent studies have shown that households could save over 40% on their energy bills just by using TRVs throughout the house. This has been so successful that from June 2022, the building regulations for England changed, meaning whenever someone upgrades their heating system, every room should have a thermostatic control as standard. It's important to note that all heating systems require one radiator to be without a TRV. This is usually located in the room where the main thermostat is, like a hallway or landing. Otherwise, the TRV and thermostat will work against each other and create inaccurate readings for your central heating. Here at BOXT, we've made it super easy to add TRVs to any order to comply with building regulations. Use the link below to find the best boiler for you. And you can add TRVs to your order at checkout, where you can also find a range of other helpful accessories to enhance your heating system. Simple as that.